Hey guys, welcome back to 2 Minute Coder. Today we're doing HackerRank problem counting sort 1. So just take a moment to pause the video and read the question. Alright, so it's actually a very simple solution. It's just worded kind of in a way to confuse you. Alright, all you have to do is whatever this value is in the array, increment an index of that. Right, so what we're going to do first is my array is just going to be an array of zeros times 100, right? Because our value is not going to exceed 100, right? It's going to be from 0 to 100. And then what we have to do is just go into, so for num in array, whatever this num index is, right? So if num is 1, then we go into the first index of, or index 1 of this my array, and then just increment it by 1. That's it. And then return my array. Great. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe for more.